Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Stitch in Christmas lights. So first we're going to get started with the face. So on the top for the hat, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. To the left of this now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to replicate this over on the right, blending this in together. Now for the eyes on the side, from the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. On the top here, we're going to arch this line over and up. Now in the middle, for the pupil, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then in the top, we're going to replicate that again. Now for the nose on the left, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the side. And then underneath, we're just going to continue to arch this line around and then back up on the right. For the nostrils now, let's curve this line over. Moving up above, we're going to draw in an arch line. And then above that, just making that even smaller. Now underneath our eye here, we're going to curve this line up on both sides for the corner of the mouth. On the top, we're going to arch this line in and then over towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. On the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. Now for the teeth in the middle, we're going to draw in a small letter V on the left and right. Moving beside that, we're going to replicate that, just making that even bigger. And then we're going to do that 2 more times as we come all the way over towards the side. Now on the bottom in the middle, we're going to draw in 2 small triangles on both sides. And then moving across again, we're going to make that even bigger. Moving beside that, let's do that 2 more times, making that smaller. For the tongue in the center, we're going to curve this line over on the side. And then we'll do the same thing as we move up in the middle. Now that we've drawn that, we're going to move around now and draw in our hat. So on both sides, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. Moving up now, we're going to arch this line over and then down on the left. And then beside this, we're just going to draw in a circle. Now underneath, we're going to curve this line up. Now let's draw on our ears. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line over and out. We'll move underneath, curving that in towards our circle. And then we're going to continue to bring that around and then in towards the top. On the right-hand side, now we're going to arch this line around, curving this around and then in on the side. And then on the top left, we're just going to arch this line around and then down. From here, we're going to draw in a sideways letter V. And then from that corner, we're just going to continue to curve this line around and then in towards the face. Now as we come in towards the top, we're going to arch this line in. And then from here, we're going to curve this line back out towards the side. Let's draw on the scarf underneath now. So we're going to draw in a curved line on the top, moving over, replicating that, Now from here, we're going to connect this together on the bottom. Moving up in the middle, we're going to draw in 2 more curved lines, leaving an even amount of space. On the left, let's arch this line up. On the right, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And now from here, we're just going to draw in 3 curved lines as we come across, leaving an even amount of space. Now let's draw in our arms. So on both sides, we're just going to curve this line over and out. For the thumb, we're going to arch this line around and then in. Moving across, we're going to replicate that again. We'll do the same thing in the middle. And then again, one last time. And then now from this corner, we're just going to arch this line over. In the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. Now for the claws above, we're just going to draw in some small triangles. Now let's draw on the string for the Christmas lights. So on the top, we're going to arch this line over and then across. We're going to start back on this line, curving this line around and then back in towards our ear on the right. On the right hand side now, we're going to curve this line down towards our hand. And then underneath, we're going to arch this line around and then out. Now on the bottom, we're going to continue to bring this line over and then up. On the side again, we're going to bring this line around and then in towards our ear. Closing off the body on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved line on both sides. And then in towards the middle, let's replicate that. Now let's draw in the lights. So on the top here on the left, we're going to draw in a rectangle. We'll do the same in the middle. And again, as we move over on the right. Let's move down on the side. We're going to draw this twice. Moving underneath, we're going to replicate that again. As we come over, and we're going to do that 3 times. And then lastly, on the side, we're just going to do that once. Now on top of each rectangle, we're going to curve this line out on the left as well as on the right, joining that at the top to create our light. And we're going to replicate this as we come all the way around, drawing that on each rectangle. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch wrapped up in Christmas lights. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.